Hi, this is Roy and Lynette's furnace and AC, thinking about replacing. We've got our furnace here, coil up top. It is currently at 80%. Flue does tie together with the water heater. We are looking at converting to a 96, so we've capped this off here. This is currently, I believe, a fresh air intake for the water heater. However, it was originally put in for a flue for a different water heater. So we do have the option of seeing if we can get the two pipes up and out. I just don't want to cut off fresh air for the water heater. If it is going to take up too much room, let's run them right out the wall here. Keep them up above everything and straight out the wall. Line set looks good on the air conditioning, so we'll just flush it, pressurize it, make sure it is good. Everything looks good as far as how it's ran. We can go ahead and reuse those. Return drop is perfect size. We got our filter right here through the top. Replace the gas flex line going into the equipment. Clips out. Hooks up to this switch here on the back wall. Condensation will redo all in PVC, tie and bolt together. Add a P-trap. This one does not have one. So pretty straightforward. As soon as you come down the stairs, it is going to be straight through the hallway on your left. Again, here's the furnace, coil, supplies, return drop, filter, flue for the 80 going up, tying with the water heater, condensation going down to the floor drain, running the new venting out the wall, if we can, out through the roof, through that pipe there.